Hi, I'm Wade Gerard, the founder and creator of Middletwin. I'm excited to share the latest enhancements we've made to Middletwin, designed to make managing your car shows simpler, smoother, and more efficient than ever before. Hello. So for the first enhancements I'm going to talk about are all the enhancements pretty much are around events. I'm going to go into event ticketing though. We've made some changes around event ticketing. One of the very first changes that you'll notice right away is we've got the availability. We've set an availability setting on each ticket. I'll explain that in a minute. We've got the random pick function. So if you are doing a giveaway, for example, where you're going to give away an engine or t-shirt or something, you can do a random pick on a ticket. Just by clicking this button, it will randomly pick one of the tickets that have been sold, and you can use that as the winner for the ticket. And the more times you do it, the more you'll get different results every single time. So we also added the ability to add a ticket. So if you sell a ticket at the event, for example, if you're doing a giveaway and you're selling tickets at the event, you can take the person's cash, take their information, click on this, and add in their information for the ticket, including any settings that the ticket might have if the ticket has options on it. And then that will get added into the list of tickets. We also added information, so you can add in information about a ticket. So if the ticket you're selling is for a giveaway, you want to put in the date and time of the actual giveaway and any of the rules around it. You can put that in there. You can also set a single purchase limit so that a single time purchase online can only be limited to a certain number of tickets. And then also the availability setting, which I touched on. So this, if it's public, that means anybody online who goes to the event page will be able to see these tickets and buy them. But if you do event participants and vendors only, then only they will be able to buy these tickets during the purchasing process for a car registration or for a swap space. I'll show you that. So that's tickets. We also added in the show settings, we added the purchase agreement. So this is where you can set in your own purchase agreement information that you want any purchasers to agree to. And so you can specify whether you're going to have refunds. You can specify anything else. And so this basically gives you the ability to have your own policies in there that you want people to agree to when they're signing up. We also added in the worker sign-up section the ability to enter in your own list of free gifts for any volunteers that sign up for shifts. And so you can just put a comma-separated list, and this will appear as a select menu when they're signing up. So now I'll show you what a lot of these things look like over in the member portal. So for the events, the first things when we come inside here and we're going to, say, register a car, I'll just type in some information here, and you'll notice we added the opt-in to receiving marketing emails about this event. And so if this selection, by default it's on, but if the person that's registering or purchasing turns that off, then if you send event emails, they will not receive the emails because they've opted out of receiving those. Next, the car. 1970, and then red 33, and then you can go ahead and just pick a class. I'm just going to dive in here. So after making the selections for the registration, the user there's this new screen in here where it will show the tickets that are public, that's these top two, and it'll show the tickets that are event only, that's these bottom four. So only people who are registering a car or purchasing a swap space will be able to purchase these tickets. And also this blue eye for the information, that will only show up if you've entered in information for the ticket. So you can see for the cruise ticket here, I entered in the cruise will begin from the show at 2 p.m. on Saturday. So, and you can put in any other information that you want in there. And you can put in information on all the tickets. I just chose this one as an example. So, and we also added the ability now to register another vehicle. So if I have two cars I want to register for the show, I can click on this and come inside here, and I can now enter the information for my second vehicle, and it will automatically be added to the vehicles that are going to be registered when I complete the registration process. So now I've got 2 vehicles. You can see over here registrations ×2, tickets 0 because I haven't selected any tickets. And then now if I purchase it, it will go ahead and register those 2 vehicles for the show. I'll go on to the next screen, and this is the agreement, and so here's the Middletwin agreement, which we always had, but down here is the show car agreement. This is what you added on that show setup page, and so the purchaser then has to agree to this in order to complete the purchase. Now next I'm going to show you the worker sign up, and for the worker sign up for volunteers, again over here we still have the opt-in information for the email. That'll be on anyone who's signing up online, but here's the preferred gift list. So this is that new gift list that you can enter yourself, and so if you leave it blank, this won't be here at all, but if you put in a comma separated list, it'll show up as a menu where the volunteer can select which free gift they would like to receive. Now I'm going to jump back over to the administration and just really quick just show you the vendors list. So in the previous video we showed how we had multiple maps and vendors could sign up for spaces on the maps like swappers. They will now appear in this vendors list in the main show setup as well. So you'll be able to see them here, and you can add vendors here yourself. You can also add them on the map yourself. But it's just 2 spots where you can manage the list of vendors. And then again, the tax ID is something else that we added for vendors. So you can now, they can enter in their tax ID when they're purchasing a spot, but you can also manually enter it in for each vendor. And what's nice about having the vendor list here is that from here you can export it out into a CSV and do mailing labels from it. Or just have a sign-up sheet available to you at the event where you can check off names as they're coming in. And so this gives you a lot of freedom to be able to work with vendors as well in Middletwin. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see a demo or get some more information, please go to www.middletwin.com and sign up for a demo, or just send me an email, wade.gerard@middletwin.com, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.